Hello and welcome to Fun Facts. This is going to be something of a commentary on videos I've done. For example, this is commentary about Physics Wizard 1 and 2. So let's get started, shall we? Let's start out with the first Physics Wizard. The first Physics Wizard was created as a school project for AP Physics class. I don't remember exactly how we came up for the idea of it being a physics wizard, but when we did, we knew we needed to create an outfit that would signify that it was a wizard. So the outfit is made up of a sheet of a plastic material which makes up the cape. It's got a stick which we found that was kind of beat up of some sort in the closet, and we taped a protractor to that. And then the hat, well, we found a hat in the closet too, and then we took some of that plastic material and some copper wire and made the top shape of the hat there. And then the mask was just something we had from marching band that we decided to throw on because why not? And because of the mask, we were able to do that mask washing bit at the beginning, and there was over a minute of footage of washing the mask. Obviously, I cut that down because that was a little ridiculous. So now I want to talk about the origin of the "bring on the math" phrase, which has sort of become a Physics Wizard trademark, if you will.
Bring on the math!
He originally did that off camera, and as soon as he did it, I was like, oh my gosh, you have to do that again on camera. I want to put that in the video. So that's how that came about. I have no clue what made that sound right there. The entirety of the video, except for the end scene going down the hallway, was filmed in the band room and music library at our school. When we were working on the math problems on the whiteboard, if you look hard enough at specific points in the video, you can actually see where we had the answer written on the top right corner of the board. We had to record the ending scene before the hallway scene twice because one of our friends who was also down there filming their video walked into the scene right at the end. Fun fact, I'm 1 day older than him. While we were walking down the hall, while I was riding on a cart down the hall to be more specific, and that's necessary to say to explain why in the bloopers there's a janitor saying that's dangerous because I was riding on top of the cart with the camera. So let's talk about the origins of Physics Wizard 2 now. So after creating the first video for a project, it has become probably, I would say, the second most popular video on the channel. So I decided, let's make another one. So I contacted Christian, who plays the Physics Wizard, and I asked him if he wanted to do another one, and he said sure. So then we came up with the idea and the script and everything, and yeah, then we made it happen. Now, the reason that the outfit is slightly different between the two is because we were unable to obtain all the pieces of the outfit. The mask, well, he probably got rid of the mask, to be honest. That and the protractor were the only parts of the outfit that we actually owned. So we were able to get the hat and what we think was the part that was the cape from our physics teacher. We borrowed those things. So that is the same hat, it just has the top part taken off of it. So if you've seen the first Physics Wizard, you can probably tell that this is meant to be a sequel. Like, this happened clearly in the same universe and is a sequel because there are references back to things that happened in the first Physics Wizard that we threw in there that we thought would be funny for those who saw the first Physics Wizard. For example, when the Physics Wizard asks for money, that is because I did not pay him in Physics Wizard 1. And no, I did not actually give him the amount that he asked for. Both times I just gave him $1 bills. So the part where I'm writing on the paper and we go through that montage sequence there, um, with the fades through different scenes of the progressing amounts of paper around, I was just writing random numbers and equations the whole time. Nothing meant anything at all. I remember there were a lot of sevens and eights and pluses in there. I'd originally wanted to do a lot of complex looking math, but then um, I just ended up writing a bunch of sevens over and over again, I guess. So in the bloopers, you can see a part where I was throwing down the pencil onto the table, and one of the times I did that, it bounced, and I don't know if you can hear it hit something. I'm pretty sure you can, but you can see my reaction. I was reacting because it hit the TV and Wii sensor bar, and it knocked the Wii sensor bar um, back a little bit. So, uh, yeah, that happened. No, that's not really my power strip setup. That is ridiculous. I would never do something like that. I just like Googled ridiculous power strip setup or something and found that image and thought it would be funny to put in the video. So that's it for the first of fun facts. I hope you enjoyed those facts and hopefully they were fun.